Going to 119.775 Doubleman 1407. Las Vegas approach Doubleman 1407 8,000 feet.
Doubleman 1407 Las Vegas approach QNH 29.902 continue to roam as planned.
Bright light city gonna set my soul on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn.
Descend and maintain 7,000 feet Doubleman 1407.
There's 1,000 pretty women waiting out there. They're all living the devil may care, and I'm just a devil with love to spare. So viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas. How I wish that there were more than the 24 hours in the day. Even if there were 40 more, I wouldn't sleep a minute away. Oh, there's blackjack and poker and the roulette wheel, a fortune won and lost on every deal. All you need is a strong heart and a nerve of steel. Viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas with your neon flashing and your one-armed bandits crashing all those hopes down the drain. Viva Las Vegas, turning day into nighttime, turning night into daytime. If you see it once, you'll never be the same again. I'm gonna keep on the run, I'm gonna have me some fun. It cost me my very last dime. If I wind up broke, well, I'll always remember that I had a swing in time. I'm gonna give it everything I've got. Lady luck, please let the dice stay hot. Let me shoot a 7 with every shot. Viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas,
100,
viva, viva
60,
Las Vegas.
50, 40, 30, 20, we die.
Tower on 118.75 Doubleman 1407. Las Vegas Tower Doubleman 1407 7 miles northeast inbound Arnav Yankee runway 19 right approach.